Okay, we're gonna see a young guy who's gonna jump for $2, which I think is suicide.
Suicide for $2.
That is so nuts. That was so nuts.
Is he alive?
And still alive. And these people do it for $2. Can you imagine what they'll do for 5? Oh my God. Yeah? Oh. Wow. That's such a nice view.
Oh shit, they climbed back up from there.
Oh, look at this guy. Oh, very nice. This guy's like a monkey. I don't know. Wow, that looks so... Whoa! Oh wow, that was good. Man, that was worth my $2. I wonder if he has a sister, I could pay 5. Rapido. Wow, that was good. That was really good. That was excellent. Smile!